This camera, to my knowledge, is the only camera on the market that has wireless streaming capabilities. No, I'm just playing. So before you jump off and jump on me, today we're talking about the eMeet Streamcam One. eMeet launched this to be a direct competitor to the Logitech Mevo. Now, this is basically a webcam with wireless functionality, which means you can use this in a traditional setting, directly plugged into a computer. But where this shines, why it's the way that it's designed, who it's designed for, and why you're going to pay a little bit more for this than your standard webcam is because eMeet added a new wrinkle to this, and it's a massive wrinkle when you think about a standard webcam. And so we're going to look at the features and functionality of this webcam. We're going to look at where I think it sits in the marketplace, who it's for, and so by the end of this video, you should have a good idea of if this is a good pickup for you. So let's jump into the details. The Streamcam One is well packaged and comes with a very nice carrying case. Now this is sort of a hard travel case, and if you've watched any of my videos recently, you would have seen this sitting in the background behind my second screen on my desk. This makes it easy to store, take out, and use stationary at my desk right here or at my second desk upstairs. Now inside the box is a storage case, camera and components, starter guide and manual, and stickers to label each camera since this is a multi-cam capable setup. Inside the case is the detachable magnetic lav wireless mic, and that connects directly to the cam itself. Also the eMeet Stream One cam itself, this thing feels and looks high quality. The body is cylindrical, made of high grade like plastics. On the top you can see the magnetic clips to connect the wireless lav. Also in the case you can find the USB-C to USB-C cable along with a magnetic wind or pop filter for the lav. Let's jump into the features. This cam won the 2023 Red Dot Award because of everything it comes packed with. It's also already amassed up to 1,600 ratings on Amazon and has an overall score of 4.3 from reviewers. Now this camera is ideal for streamers, gamers, content creators, and maybe vloggers if you use a gimbal or stabilizer of some sort due to it not having any form of image stabilization. But its portability and connectivity makes it plausible, right? The camera has a Sony Starvis IMX307 0.8-inch sensor with 2 million pixel resolution that supports HDR. The camera can output up to 1080p 30, and the lens has 7 glass elements, supports true white balance and exposure compensation. The focal point is set and it has a 90-degree field of view standard. On the front, it has 2 built-in microphones with noise canceling technology, 48 kHz sampling rate, and voice enhancement. It also has a front sensor that indicates the camera status. There's also an indicator in the mic grill that lets you know audio the camera is picking up. Rolling around to the back, where all the fun action takes place. There is the power multifunction button, a 5-light indicator for battery status, a micro SD card slot that takes up to a 256 gigabyte card for onboard recording storage, a 3.5mm microphone jack input for adding your own external mic, and a Type-C USB port which can also control remote power off if connected. On the bottom of the camera is a physical reset button and a standard 1/4-inch tripod thread. On the top is your wireless lav charging contact that charges the mic while in use if it's attached. The camera can operate up to 8 hours off a single charge that takes between 3 or 4 hours to charge depending on if it's in an off state or not. On the mic you will also find a status indicator, a battery indicator, a multi-function button, and the mic pickup. You can also see the charging port where it connects to the camera, and it comes with a magnetic pop filter you can add on as well. So this is me testing out the Streamcam One, and I'm using NVIDIA Broadcast, and as you can see here, the picture is really nice and clear, and even though this is a 1080p picture, it's really nice and saturated. The contrast levels are good. Okay, so this is me playing Starfield using the eMeet Cam or Streamcam One. We're going to take off and get into space real quick. I just wanted to give you a quick preview of what it looked like if I was streaming and using the microphone. So what you're hearing is the onboard sound of the microphone using the lav right here. And then you're seeing obviously the picture quality in the corner there. Now I have this set to like the little auto zoom in the NVIDIA broadcast software. Let's go over here and I can turn that feature off. And so that way it'll go back to its regular settings. And so now you can see the regular settings and the regular view, and you can see it's a really good picture there in the corner. The big major feature of the Streamcam One is the app. This is the brain of the device and what allows you to connect 2 other cameras for your multi-stream setup. The process of connecting the camera to the app is extremely quick and easy. I don't have multiple, so I can't cover that, but the short of it is you are able to control which camera is active or even auto switch by using a built-in app feature. You can stream directly to several different platforms like Twitch, Facebook, and YouTube directly from the app. I do have to highlight, I noticed there is a slight delay to what the app on my phone picks up, and it drove me crazy at first. But in a real stream setting, I wouldn't be watching myself, so the audience, they would not notice anything there at all. When I hooked directly to the PC, I did not see or notice any lag at all when using this for meetings and casual conversations with friends that are in other locations. Some companies say they have 1080p, and it looks very much 480, 720p-ish. And I see that often. Now, this is a good rendition, and the Sony sensor does pretty well providing a clean image. So in conclusion, the good, the bad, and the ugly, this camera rocks. Like, seriously, it's a really good camera and it has a lot of versatility. Even if you are not a streamer, I use this for work and play, gaming, meetings, and connecting with folks. It's nice that you can connect to things like an iPad via the app. This allows me literally to travel extremely light and pull out the camera and have a great meeting without people knowing I'm logging in from an iPad. So at my desk, I can throw this in the case and set it to the side without worry that it's in danger. And when I'm ready to take it out and connect, I can do that, and it keeps my desk clean. I don't use a monitor mounted camera because I use a 48-inch OLED. So this versatility really fits my use case. Things that I like about this is that the sound is impeccable. There are two options for the onboard microphones, right? The built-in mic as well as the wireless lav. And then I can also add a third-party external microphone if I want to. Now, the included wireless lav microphone says it picks up to 10 meters. Like, that's far. Who needs all of that? But that's, those are great options. I can also add an external wireless or plug-in setup if I like, and the software is robust and allows for professional level control of the one or multiple cameras. One real knock I'm going to give this is this allows you to adjust the white balance, but it doesn't use a light temperature or Kelvin scale. So if you need to adjust this to match the lighting in your room, it's very, very hard. Overall, I think this camera is good for all intended users. So vloggers, gamers, streamers, regular folks that are going to be using this for work. With the only knock to vloggers is there's no stabilization. But there's workarounds for that. I don't think that this is overpriced at its $249 price tag. This comes in at a lower price than their biggest competitor, which is the Logitech Mevo, and it gives you a very large value proposition compared to that one. So let me know any questions you may have in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and stayed till now and you're not subscribed, consider joining the Cozy Coalition and hanging out with us. But as always, stay cozy in that crazy world, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.